So for my graph, I did 2 points, 0, comma 0 and 4, comma 4. And to find the midpoint line, you need to do the first x plus the x2, second x, and then divide that by 2, and do the same with the y. So from 0 to 4, is 4, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the first coordinate would be 2, the x coordinate would be 2 of the midpoint line. And then the next one would be 0, 4 again, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we put this as 2, comma 2 for our midpoint line. And then in order to make it into fourths, you need to do the same with each endpoint. So there's different endpoints now. So these two are endpoints and these two are endpoints. So for 0, 0 to 2, 2, the x and then the first x and the second x. So 0 plus 2 is 2, and then divide that by 2 is 1. So the x coordinate would be 1, and then do the same. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. And then the second coordinate would also be 2, so would also be 1. So it would be 1, 1. And then for the midpoint 1 and 4, 4, you would do 2 plus 4, which is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then again, 2 plus 4 is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it would be 3, 3 right here. And that's how you divide it into fourths.